What if I told you, you could build your own AI agent and sell it for real money, without writing a single line of code? Thousands of people are using tools like ChatGPT and AutoGPT to create bots that write emails, schedule meetings, even close sales, and they're turning it into a full-time income. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how complete beginners are creating and selling AI agents fast, and how you can start today. Let's build your first AI agent, right now. The internet feels like a giant locked treasure chest. You know there's gold inside, but the locks seem impossible to crack. You see stories of people making money online, but when you try, it feels overwhelming. Coding, algorithms, digital marketing. It's like you need a secret key, so you watch others succeed feeling like you missed your chance. This is a common feeling. Many dream of starting an online business, but the path seems too steep. The world of technology, especially AI, looks like it's only for geniuses. You might think you need a computer science degree or a big budget to get started, but what if the rules have changed? What if the doors are finally open? AI is no longer just for the tech elite. It's opening up to everyone. You don't need to be a coder or a data scientist, you just need a good idea and the willingness to try. The treasure chest is being unlocked for you. We're at the start of a new digital gold rush. This time, the gold is in creating helpful AI agents that solve real problems. These aren't scary robots. They're simple, smart helpers you can build in an afternoon. The barrier to entry is gone. The playing field is more level than ever. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor. The opportunity is real, and it's waiting for you. How is this possible? Enter no-code AI builders. Think of them like Lego blocks. You snap together ready-made pieces to create whatever you imagine. No-code AI platforms give you powerful, pre-built components you connect with simple drag-and-drop tools. You're the architect, not the engineer. No coding required. Just use visual menus and simple commands to tell your AI what to do. For example, upload a document and say, "You are a customer support expert for this manual." The platform handles the technical stuff. You focus on what your AI should accomplish. A few years ago, this would have cost thousands and required a team. Now you can build your first agent for free or a small fee. Tools like VoiceFlow, MindStudio, and AgentGPT are leading the way. This is the democratization of AI, making advanced tech accessible to anyone with a creative idea. You can build an AI for marketing, fitness, homework help, whatever you dream up. The possibilities are endless, and you can start today. Ready to build your first AI agent? Here's a simple blueprint. First, pick a problem to solve. Start small and specific. Maybe you're a real estate agent. Build an AI that answers first-time homebuyer questions. Fitness enthusiast? Create an AI that generates weekly workout plans. Find a small problem people would pay to have solved. Next, choose a no-code AI platform and sign up. Give your agent a name and personality, like RealtyBot, a friendly real estate assistant. Upload documents or info your agent needs to know. The platform instantly trains your AI. Set up simple conversation flows so your agent can answer questions based on your info. Launch and share your agent with a link on your website, social media, or directly to customers. Start free, get feedback, then charge for access. In just hours, you can go from idea to income. Are people really making money with these simple AI agents? Absolutely. A history teacher built History Helper, trained on his lesson plans. Students used it to study, and he sold access for $5 a month, earning a steady side income. A bakery owner made a bakery bot to answer common questions online, freeing up her time and boosting sales. Someone created an AI that generates personalized bedtime stories for kids. Another built a gift finder AI for holiday shopping. These aren't world-changing AIs, they're clever, simple solutions to everyday problems. The demand for hyper-niche agents is exploding. Big companies focus on general AIs, leaving gaps for small creators. Your unique knowledge is your secret weapon. Build an AI for your hobby, profession, or passion. There's an audience waiting. The fear of being left behind by technology is gone. The path is open. You don't need to be a programmer, just a problem solver. This opportunity is real and accessible right now. No inventory, no big marketing budget, just your idea and a few hours. The skills you gain, understanding needs, designing solutions, reaching users, are the foundation of any business. Success stories are becoming the norm, not the exception. People just like you are building and selling AI agents. Your experiences and knowledge can become a valuable AI agent. Here's your challenge. Don't just watch, take action. Search for a no-code AI builder and sign up. Think of one small problem you can solve. Spend an hour building your first agent. The age of the citizen AI developer is here. Start building. Your digital gold rush awaits.